In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Google Ads support. Email, live chat, call. If you need help with your Google Ads account and want to speak with support directly, this process is fairly straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through how to reach the official contact options inside your account, including email, live chat, and phone support. To begin, open your web browser and go to the Google Ads website. Once you're there, sign in to your Google Ads account. This is important because support options are usually tied to the account you're currently using. After signing in, take a moment to make sure you are logged into the correct Google Ads account, especially if you manage multiple accounts or switch between profiles. This can help you avoid contacting support from the wrong account and getting assistance for the wrong campaign setup. Next, wait for the Google Ads dashboard, also called the overview page, to fully load. It's best to let everything finish loading before moving on so that all menus and support tools appear properly. Now look to the top right corner of the screen. You should see the Help icon, which looks like a question mark. Click that icon to open the Help menu. Once it appears, you'll see a selection of support resources and assistance options related to your account. From that Help menu, click Contact Us. This will take you into the Google Ads support flow. At this stage, you'll be asked to select the issue or topic that best matches your problem. Choose the option that is closest to what you need help with, because this helps route you to the most relevant support path. After that, follow the prompts and describe your issue in detail. Be as clear and specific as possible so the support team can better understand the situation. Continue through the support flow until you reach the available contact options. At that point, choose the support method you prefer: email, live chat, or phone call. If you select live chat, wait for a support agent to respond in real time. If you choose email, submit your request and wait for a reply from Google Ads support. If you prefer phone support, follow the instructions shown to either receive a call or dial the provided support number. Once you're connected with a representative, explain your issue clearly and provide the details they need to help you. Finally, follow any instructions given by the Google Ads support team so the issue can be resolved as smoothly as possible. Thanks for watching.